Federal Capital Territory Minister Nyesom Wike has signed two Memoranda of Understanding with the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation and the China Geo-Engineering Corporation Overseas Construction Group to enhance the lighting of the Federal Capital Territory and boost improved rural water supply. A statement issued in Abuja by the Director of Press in the Office of the FCT Minister, Anthony Ogunleye, said the MoUs were signed in Beijing, China, during Wike's visit with President Bola Tinubu for the Forum of China-Africa Cooperation Summit, and the project outlined in the MoUs are set to be completed in time for the 50th anniversary of the creation of FCT. The minister said the initiatives align with President Tinubu's agenda to bring positive changes to the FCT, adding that under the agreement, China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation would handle the lighting of key areas including Maitama, Asokoro, Wuse, the Central Business Area, Airport Road, and Bill Clinton Drive, and also manage the lighting projects in Mabushi, Katampe, and Garki districts. In addition to the lighting project, Wike addressed the provision of water while also highlighting the progress on the Greater Abuja Water Works project, managed by China Geo-Engineering Corporation Overseas Construction Group, which is nearing 75% completion, and expressed optimism that the project will be completed by December. Wike also announced plans to extend water supply to rural areas, including Gwangwalada, Kwali, and Kuje through a new MoU with China Geo-Engineering Corporation based Overseas Construction Group, and underscored the President's directive to not only focus on the city, but also to address the needs of rural communities. U.S. Agency for International Development has declared $6.5 million grant to the International Organization for Migration to address humanitarian needs caused by recent flooding across Nigeria. A statement issued by the USAID said the funding was aimed at aiding local partners in responding to flood-related crises and other disasters, adding that it will enable local partners to respond to flooding and other disasters, while International Organization for Migration is allocating $3 million to address flood-related humanitarian needs across the country. According to the agency, of the total grant, $3 million will be allocated by International Organization for Migration specifically to address the immediate needs arising from the floods, which have impacted over 619,000 people across 29 states since mid-August. The National Emergency Management Agency disclosed that the flood has resulted in 210 fatalities, displaced nearly 228,700 individuals, and damaged more than 84,800 homes this year, and pledged nearly $100 million in total support to Nigeria to address the urgent needs of those affected by disasters, including the recent floods. U.S. Admission Director Melissa Jones remarked that the United States remains steadfast in its commitment to assist the people of Nigeria as they confront the challenges posed by climate change and increasing natural disasters, while the long-standing partnership underscores dedication to providing humanitarian aid and support nationwide. Chairman of the Taiwan External Trade Development Council, James Huang, has urged Taiwanese and Nigerian businesses to collaborate on enhancing manufacturing investment and boosting trade growth between two countries. Speaking at the Taiwan Technology Day in Lagos, he stressed on the importance of cooperation, particularly in areas such as technology, petrochemicals, and green energy, and highlighted Taiwan's potential as a key partner for Nigeria, citing the growing volume of trade between both countries. He also said Taiwanese companies were being encouraged to establish manufacturing operations in Nigeria, and acknowledging the challenges in Nigeria's business environment, particularly with electricity. Hong expressed optimism that solutions were being discussed. He also revealed that Taiwanese companies were being encouraged to establish manufacturing operations in Nigeria, while the Director General of Nigerian Association of Chambers of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture, Olushola Obadimu, said Taiwan's interest in Nigeria presented a significant opportunity. In his remark, the President and Chairman of the Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Gabriel Idahosa, stressed on the importance of technology-driven partnerships, said Nigerian businesses depend significantly on Taiwanese technology and their interest in sectors like oil, gas, adding that entertainment would only deepen trade relations, while the initiative will remain as a step in creating more collaborative opportunities between nations. National Board of Technical Education has inaugurated the Sector Skill Council for Engineering. Executive Secretary of MBTE, Professor Idris Baguje, who disclosed this during the 32nd Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria Assembly held in Abuja, recently described the inauguration as a historic moment for the engineering sector in Nigeria, while highlighting that the Sector Skill Council for Engineering was joining 19 other Sector Skill Councils already established in the country's skills ecosystem. He also acknowledged the significant contribution of the Vice President in fast-tracking the progress of the National Council on Skills, under which the NSQ operates, adding that a major challenge identified by the SSC4E was the need to reposition the engineering workforce structure in Nigeria. According to Bugaje, the current workforce pyramid is upside down, deviating from the International Labour Organization standard of 1.1:5 for engineers to technicians and artisans, and one that if that imbalance was not addressed, Nigeria will continue to rely on imported skilled labour from countries like Benin, Togo, China, and India, as seen in various ongoing national projects. He also stressed the importance of engaging the informal sector in formal training programs and highlighted the significant role informal marketers and workshops play in Nigerians' economy, which is 75% informal, and appealed for the separation of powers between training providers, awarding bodies, and regulators in the engineering sector. Minister of Solid Minerals Oladele Alake has hailed the $1 initiative iron ore to the steel project plan for Kogi State as a breakthrough in the federal government's push for local value addition in sector. The project, a collaboration between Nigeria's Chart and Capstone Integrated Limited and China's Sonameki, marks a pivotal step in the federal government's drive to prioritize local value addition over raw minerals exports. Special advisor to the minister, Kehinde Bamibetan, who disclosed this in a statement at a meeting in Beijing during President Bola Tinubu's recent visit to China, praised the project as a breakthrough in the government's effort to revamp the sector, adding that the new policy requires that applications for mining licenses include plans for processing raw materials locally, a move Alake said will enhance Nigeria's trade balance, particularly with China. Commending the efficiency and transparency of the process, he explained that the projects aim to integrate iron ore mining directly with steel manufacturing, ultimately supporting Nigeria's industrialization needs, and also highlighted the need for tax waivers and holidays during the project's early stages to help navigate economic fluctuations and meet targets. Vice Manager of Sonameki, Hu Enka, expressed the company's readiness to commence the project and stressed their extensive experience in mining and steel sectors. Ogun State Environmental Protection Agency has sealed 5 industries for environmental infractions. The companies are Nyesom Paper Limited and Longxiang Aluminium, both at the Sagamo axis of Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, New Shidai Manufacturing Limited, MoU, in Obafemi Awodo local government area, and 2 unregistered companies operating illegally in the Ogere axis of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. According to a statement, the chairman of the Ogun State Task Force on Environmental Compliance and Enforcement, who doubled as a senior special assistant to the governor on environment, Farouk Akintunde, who led the enforcement team to seal the companies, said they were shut down after the Environmental Protection Agency received petitions from the immediate communities of their incessant discharge of untreated wastewater into the environment. Also speaking on their closure, the special advisor to the governor on the Ogun State Environmental Protection Agency, Dr. Oluwadare Kehinde, said the company will now be forced, after several warnings, to abide by wastewater regulations in the state, which is crucial at preventing water pollution and maintaining water quality standard, adding that the agency will not compromise to demand from industries best environmental standard in all they do, as enunciated in the Ogun State Government Green Book, which contains the laws guiding environmental practices in the state. For the 2 unregistered companies sealed along with the 3 others, the special advisor said they must do proper registration with the state government and fulfill other operational obligations before they can be allowed to operate in the state. National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control has alerted Nigerians to the activities of a faith-based organization, Christ Mercy Land Delivery Ministries, led by Prophet Jeremiah Fufuyin, using the agency's name to deceive the unsuspecting public. NAFDAC, in a statement on Sunday signed by its Director General, Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, said none of the products advertised and sold are registered with the agency. Adding that the agency, upon receipt of the petitions, it contacted the Delta State Coordinator through the Director Post-Marketing Surveillance of the agency to ascertain the existence or record of any transaction with the Christ Mercy Land Deliverance Ministry and the product in Delta State Office.